when you're looking here at your home screen, you have a few options at the bottom. This first icon, this colorful wheel, gets you to the internet. That's called Google Chrome, and that's how we search. Here's your Gmail account, this is Google Docs, and this is YouTube. These are all Google apps. Start by going to Google Chrome, and that's how we're going to get you to your Google Classroom. All right, so now that you're in Google Chrome, it takes you to the internet. Notice in the top right-hand corner, there's your first initial up here in a circle. So I'm logged into sample student account. Next to that, you will find the Google Apps Launcher. Sometimes you'll hear people calling that the Google Waffle. You're going to start by going there to your Google Apps Launcher. And this is a list of all of the Google apps that are available. We're looking for Google Classroom. So you might have to scroll down to find it. It looks like a kind of like an old-fashioned chalkboard. And once you find it, you might want to click and drag and move it to the top because you're going to need that every day. So I'm just holding down the mouse button, drag it to the top so that you have easy access to it. Go ahead and click on it one time and it opens up Google Classroom. So in here, it's kind of like now you're in the hallway of our school, but you haven't entered a class yet. You will see all the classes that you have for the day. So in this example, I only put in 4. I put in a homeroom, a first period, a second period, and then there's one down here for a special. So you're already a member in each one of these classes. You just have to enter the class. It's just like being in the hallway and walking into the room. So you're going to start each morning by going to your homeroom class. So you'll find your homeroom class in your Google Classroom accounts, and it takes you into your homeroom teacher's Google Classroom account. If your homeroom teacher has a message for you, you'll see the message posted here. And if your homeroom teacher has an assignment for you, you'll click on classwork to find that assignment. But before you worry about all of that, you're going to meet your teacher on a video conference. It's called Google Meet. The link is right here, the Meet link. So you will click on this Meet link, and it may ask you to allow access to your camera and your microphone, which you have to click allow. And what's happening is it's starting my camera right now. Notice it's getting ready over here. And you will see on the right-hand side, if anybody else is in there, your teacher should be in there bright and early in the morning, and you will click join. And then you will be in your homeroom class. So you'll have your meeting with your homeroom teacher and the rest of your homeroom classmates. And when you're finished with homeroom, okay, I'm going to click join. Okay, so you're in your Google Meet with your homeroom teacher and your homeroom classmates, and you're having a conversation, and you're seeing your teacher, and your teacher will tell you when homeroom is over and it's time to move to your first period class. So you will use this button right here. It says leave call. Click on that button one time to leave the meeting, close the tab. It takes you back to Google Classroom. Now you're ready to move on to your first period class. So you'll click on the menu button on the left, go to your classes, and whatever you have next, that's the class that you're going to enter. So let's say you have math for first period. You will click on the title for math for first period, and there's a new, there's a new Meet link for you to join. You'll click on that Meet link, and that will take you to the video call with your first period teacher, and you'll repeat the process. Okay, I hope that clears things up.